Hello everybody, today our new project is we have this beautiful chandelier. Have you ever put together a chandelier? It's not easy. Hello, bonjour, anybody home? Anyway, this is a 100-piece acrylic chandelier. It looks like glass, but it isn't. It's only crystal. They look crystal, but these are just acrylic, I would imagine. Anyway, always use white gloves because you're going to smear them, and we have to. This is an antique that we just purchased for a very special occasion here at the Collector Center. And guess what we found out? One is broken. Does anybody know how we can buy new ones? I'll have to go online and find out. But the first thing we need to do is to clean everything because it's hard to see here, I know. But this thing is a wreck. Ugh. It's been in someone's attic for about 30 years. So it's collected 30 years of dust and dirt and everything else. And this is going to go in the center of our living room. So we're very, very excited about it. Woo! It'll be perfect for the high holy days and, of course, Halloween. So we're having to clean all the parts of it. And actually it's in quite good shape. Only a few of these larger bulbs have popped off. And so I'm going through each one and making sure that each one is clean before we put it up. We're supposed to put it up this afternoon, but we'll see how that works out. But I'll give you pictures when it's over. It's going to be beautiful. Okay. So, anyway, now as you can see, we have a huge collection of these acrylic little danglies. And they're just beautiful. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang it up here so that I can see, I can get around the back sides and it won't be cracking, and because we've already lost a bulb and we've also lost one of the acrylic pieces. So we'll see how that works out. So today it's how to hang a chandelier. And of course, I'm a professional. So if you need tips, call somebody else, all right? Please. Okay. So we'll give you the before and the after as soon as we have an after. All right? Okay. All right. We have to take all of these off. So how's your day going? I hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Down here on the Mexican border, it is Tuesday. And, well, I guess it's Tuesday mostly everywhere. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So this is our beautiful chandelier, and so we'll get back with you when we have a finished product. Bye everybody.